Let's solve this question. What is the sum of smallest and second smallest integer values of x satisfying the inequality? Okay, so we need to find the second smallest and the sum of smallest and the second smallest integral value satisfying this inequality. And this inequality is 4x square minus 1 into 3x minus 1 upon 2x square plus 3x minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so I can simplify it further as 2x square minus 1 square. So using identity a minus b, a plus b, I can write it as 2x minus 1 into 2x plus 1 into 3x minus 1 upon, and I can factorize this equation as, 2x square. I can split this middle term as 4x minus x minus 2. So this would become 2x minus 1, 2x plus 1, and it would be 3x minus 1 upon this become, if I take 2x common, I'm left with x plus 2. If I take minus 1 common, I'm left with x plus 2. So I can write it as 2x minus 1, 2x plus 1, 3x minus 1 upon 2x minus 1 and x plus 2. And I need this inequality to be greater than or equal to 0. This expression to be greater than or equal to 0. Now, can you see, I cannot have x equal to 1 by 2, because in that case, denominator becomes 0 and it becomes undefined form. If this term cannot be 0, I can happily cancel out these two terms, because if this is not 0, I can cancel it out. It would be something else than 0. So I can cancel them out. Now I'm left with 2x plus 1 into 3x minus 1 upon x plus 2 has to be greater than or equal to 0. From here, I can write the critical points as minus 2, minus 1 by 2, and 1 by 3. These are the critical points. Let's mark these point on number line. So minus 2 is here, minus 1 by 2 is here, and 1 by 3 is here. So I need to have this inequality, this expression to be greater than or equal to 0. So the reasons in which this expression would be positive or equal to 0 would be this. In this region, it would be positive. In this region, it would be negative. And in this region, this expression would be positive. So can you see, I can take minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. These would be two points that, because I need those points also that make this expression 0, because there is greater than or equal to 0, right? I need to include those x which make this equation or this expression as 0, right? So I need to include minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. But I need to exclude x equal to minus 2, because in that case, this denominator becomes 0. So I cannot include this, right? So I can write the range of x belongs to minus 2 open bracket to minus 1 by 2 close bracket union close bracket 1 by 3 to infinity. Correct? Now the smallest x would be minus 1 by 2. Sorry, minus 1, because I cannot have minus 2. So the smallest one, the smallest value of x would be minus 1. In this range, smallest will be minus 1. And the second smallest value of x, and the second smallest value, in fact, second smallest integral value. I need to find the integral value. That's why it is minus 1, right? So this is minus 1, and second smallest integral value would be greater than 1 by 3, and that is 1, right? So the sum of these two values is minus 1 plus 1, and that is 0. So correct answer to this question is option C.